Concluding our review of Chapter 36, The Architect of Change. From The Luckiest Dog on the Porch, we focus on Jake Westbrook's character arc and the chapter's memoir significance. Here, Jake evolves from a restless dreamer to a purposeful innovator, Margaret's guidance shaping his ZOX vision. He reflects, "Her spark built my foundation." This growth fuels his resilience, driving his 2028 candidacy. Within the memoir, Chapter 36 marks a turning point, linking Jake's discontent to transformative action, emphasizing mentorship's catalytic role. Scholars, as you seek impact, let Jake's journey inspire you to architect your own change. The Luckiest Dog on the Porch is available at Amazon for Kindle, paperback, and hardcover.